Good morning. Today I'm going to look at this vaporizer model. The name is a Stellar 15,000 puffs, and the type of flavor is Miami Mint. Here's a bot it. I don't know what's the meaning of that. Then the bottom is your volume flow control, your charging port. Okay, let's just see what's happening with it as a display. Let's just puff it. Let's switch the lights off quickly. See, there it comes on the side. Look at how nice the light is there. And then your side, there's a bot it, and there's your two indicators, 0% volume in there and 85% battery. That is quite nice. Let's just do it again. There's a new thing. Look at the stars and the stuff. And the moon. Let's kind of calculate how much is left. Okay, let's see if you can open this thing. You always look at where there's a switch, obviously, where you do the settings. You can set the settings. You try to open this. So this will be kind of difficult. You just whack that thing open. You see there's clips there. It's a clip and a clip. Okay, now here's obviously your switch. Look, it's in the bottom. It's a different model. The switch is on top and the little wires that goes in the bottom. You just push this thing out. See what's going on there. There's a piece of rubber there just to seal the air intake. This is a different battery. Look, it's got a little fat type of lithium battery. It's a total different model. There's your LEDs. Display, and here's a display, and your charging PC board. And okay, now if you want to refill it, there's this thing that soaks up the excess stuff. You can just fill it up here. Just move it sideways, put in your stuff, close it again, and then you can put it back. There's your charging port. Let's just slide it back in here. There's it. And then you can put this way thing around again. Then this will open the little switch and see what it is. There's a tiny little switch that you do the settings. Okay, now you can clean that with a toilet paper. Just soak up all the excess there. Then you clip it back again. There's your bot it, different kind of device. You just switch off the lights again and just gonna pull it a little bit, yeah. There's a light. There's your switch the lights off, yeah. You calculate how many, 84%, and there is your, it's a light indicator. That is nice, different colors. Okay, just found the back lights on. Okay, that's all from me from this model, Stellar. A different one. Okay, till next time, cheers.